Good morning, all of you. Last class lo, last class we discussed the what is constitution. The constitution, the supreme document of the regulated the relations between the people and government, is formed by the constitution. You know to what is constitution? When was the Britishers came to India and when was the Britishers start the administration in India? The background of the constitution, the last class you know, the historical background of the Indian constitution. Last class the started, the so many peoples, the so many kings administrated in India. So many kings, number of kings administrated in India. The last king, who is the last king administrated in India? The last king, you know, all of you, yesterday you listen. Who was the last king administrated in India? Yes, the Mughal Empire, the Mughal kings. Mughal kings, the last king administrated in India. When the Britishers came to India, the Britishers came to India in the 1600 because of the business purpose. Because of business purpose. You know, the India had its origin under the British rule. India origin to the British rule, under the British rule. So many 200 years administration under the India by the British. You know, so many kings administration Indian Act 1773 Act formed by the Britishers after the continue to administration in India, continue to administrate by the British in India. In 1773 Act and so many acts formed by the Britishers. 1858 Act framed, 1858 Act formed by the British, the Queen, and they against the Indian people. They started the first war of India, the 1857 war, because of did not administrate the Britishers. The war you want to own administration. India want their own administration. There is no other people's administrate me. India. So Indian peoples so many days, so many years, the continue to the movement of Britishers with the Gandhiji, non-violent, non-cooperation movement, Satyagraha movement, so many movements, non-violent movement, so many movements because of the independent, Britishers go to her country. So The last class you know to so many peoples, so many struggles, so many struggles with the Britishers, the Mahatma Gandhi, and so many freedom fighters with the Mahatma Gandhi and other peoples also fight with the Britishers. The one I want the independent. I want independent administration. Want to the people. So we followed by the all the peoples, Indian peoples, the fight with Britishers. When the Britishers frame making the law act of the 1858 Act and other act 1909 Act and 1919 Act. When the middle of the British administration, the first World War started. The middle of the administration, the first World War. The first World War started in which year? Anybody know? The last class and previous class, the 10th class, you know to history lessons. You know to when was start the first World War. Last previous class you studies. When was start? The first World War started in the 1914 to 1918. The British under the administration, Britishers they support the Indian peoples. The Britishers support the Indian peoples. Britishers support to the Indian people. The first World War, they gained them. India, the Britishers too, they contributed to the independence fight through the Council of the support to the people, the support to the government, and the India, the followed by the so many acts formed by the India because of 1919 Act. 1919 Act says the parliamentary form of the government, a hierarchy system, and distribute the administration. The parliamentary form of the government. 1919 Act says about the parliamentary form of the government. Administration divided: central administration, and state administration. Yeah, the says to the 1919 Act. Hierarchy system is formed by the 1919 Act. So many peoples, educated people, unity of the education India as the leadership in the national Indian National Congress. I did not accept the 1990 Act. You want the INC administration, Indian National Congress under the administration. Want the Indian people is called want Indian National Congress. I understand under the administration any Indian people is want. Didn't under the British rule administration is did not want to the Indian peoples. So many times Indian peoples is the against to the Britishers to against to the 1919 Act, against to the you refused the Indian peoples in the 1919 Act. You refused the 1909 Act, refused the 1858 Act. 1919 Act is very important administration, well administration. So Indian peoples not under the administration of British rule, because these Indian peoples is want to the own administration under the Indian National Congress INC administration. Did not want to the British administration. The own administration want to the Indian people. So, under the so many demand for the completely transfer to the power to India. Completely transfer to the power to India. The completely transfer to India powers did not under the British under the powers is not accept the Indian peoples. Did not under the British under the administration is not accept the Indian people. So many times fight the war with the Britishers. When the so many the Britishers the stop the Indian people's movement, the made the program totally the complete transfer to the powers, the lead the non-violent movement, non-cooperation movement under the leadership of Gandhi. Non non-cooperation, non-violent movement under the Mahatma Gandhi. Under the Mahatma Gandhi. So many times non-violent movement and the non-cooperation movements also fight with the youth. These items used by the all the people and the Mahatma Gandhi. So many times against the Britishers. The leadership of the Mahatma Gandhi made the British government to the appointed the new when the so many times all the peoples in the against the Britishers with the under the Mahatma Gandhi when the British and the new step taken. The new member came to India. The Britishers stopped the movements. The Britishers stopped the wars. The Britishers stopped the wars, stopped the movements. You sent to the another one came to India. This one, the Simon came to India. Why was came to India? Simon, the movements is stopped. Movements Indian people started the movements, non-cooperation movement, non-violent movements, and the simple movements. The wars, different of wars. So many places, Indian peoples against the Britishers to the wars and the movements. This movement stopped by the send the person the Simon Commission came to the India. The Simon Commission came to India. The Simon Commission came and the new established the new amendment of the new commission. His commission means the named by the Simon named by the Simon Commission. You named by the Simon Commission. The Simon came to India. One of the new commissions that started in the Simon Commission established in 1927. because of the stop of the non-cooperation movement and the non-violent movement, other place another whenever whenever the start the movements and the stopped purpose of the started established by the commission by the Simon. This Simon named by commission is called the Simon Commission, established by the 1927. 1927, they established the Simon Commission. Simon Commission, the India, the saw the opposed by the all Indian federations. All the people, Indian people were the refused by the all peoples. All peoples, so Indian all peoples in the refused by the Simon Commission. When the Britishers new steps taken by the new amendment and the new step is the Britishers in the started with the round table conferences. Round table conferences. The first round table conference started in London because of the round table conferences they established why they started the round table conferences, remove the movements and again remove the wars and mutual understandings based by the British government in the round table conference in the started in the London is the 1930. The first conference the started in London in the 1930. The second, the first, next one 1931. Next one 1932. Indian freedom fighter. Some members of the attend to the First World War. Some members of the attend to the Second World War. Some members who attend to the Third World War. Sorry. First round table conferences, second round table conference, and third round table conferences. This conferences purpose of the stop the wars and mutual understanding, mutual administration, mutual understanding based by the administration. Because of they did not all the members of the did not accept by the Britishers conferences, did not accept by the self administration. Britishers accept by Indian people did not accept by the self administration, and the mutual administration is not want because of Indian people so the want to the own administration under the Indian National Congress. Self administration. Indian people want to the self administration is want to the Indian people. So many the First World War and Second World War and first two round table conferences, second round table conferences did not accept by the Indian peoples, and the next one the India and the Britishers, and the new act is established. The first one, first two, next one the government of Indian Act 1935. Government of India 1935 Act. Three roundtable conferences completed after the formation of the new act established by the British government. The government of Indian Act 1935 Act. 1935 Act by the formed by the British government. So this amendment is did not accept by the Indian peoples, did not accept by the other peoples. The Indian National Congress lead by the provisions of the seven provisions of Indian. So many peoples did not accept by the British administration World War. Next one, the first World War is completed, the second World War is completed, and round table conferences is completed. Next one, the Britishers came to India, knew the Cripps mission, the Sir Stafford Cripps, negative in the lead by the leader. The first one, next one, and the Simon Commission came. The Simon Commission came. After next one, lead by the Cripps. The Britishers came to the another one came to the India. So many Britishers came the start of the movement. Because the purpose of the government, Britishers came sent to the India. The Simon Commission came to India. The purpose of the stop of the non-violent movement and the remaining movements, and did not support the India. And the so India is continued to the movements against by the Britishers. And the Simon Commission in 1927 came, and the Britishers formed the round table conferences. Three round table conferences completed. 19th from by the 1935 Act did not accept the British administration. Another one, the British and to the another one came to the India. The first one is these come to the need to India support to the sent to the senior citizen minister in the Sir Stafford Cripps. The Cripps came to the India. The Cripps came to the 1942. 1942 Cripps came to the India. His purpose of India came to the and he's come to the 1947. He's came to India so many times. The against the movements in the so many places. Is not failure. Is the Cripps came to India, not stopped the Indian movements, not stopped the movements and the wars. And the Cripps mission also failed. The 1942, the Cripps also the failure. The Cripps also failure in the India, the failure. In this the backdrop, Indian National Congress, the Gandhiji under the leadership of the Mahatma Gandhi, they came to the meet to the Cripps, and the Gandhiji lead the India, for example, total the Indian National Congress movement. The leadership of the next one, the Cripps mission, the first non-violent, non-cooperation movement and non-violent movement in the start, and another Mahatma Gandhi started to the Quit India movement. Gandhi started Quit India movement. Quit India movement. The Quit India movement is started in the Mahatma Gandhi, another revolutionary movement in the India. The Gandhi leadership is adopted by the Quit India movement resolution in the immediately and the British rule. Because of Mahatma Gandhi is the starting the Quit India movement. The resolution means immediately Britishers come back to Britishers immediately end the British rule in India, and the British rule in India is a resolution. The Quit India movement go back, end the administration, go back to London. They removed the British rule in India. They end the administration in India. End the administration and go back to all the Britishers go back to London. This resolution of the Quit India movement. Next one, the Quit India movement in the 1942, and the second for the first World War is 1914 to 1918. The Second World War 1919 to 1945. The Second World War also ending in India. Alliances is gained to powers. Favorable to the allied the powers. Alliances are also favorable to war and the Labour Party came to the power in the British Parliament. This is the Second World War in the Labour Party came to and the British came to administration parliamentary form of the government. Parliamentary elections, the powers of the British in the parliamentary elections, the Prime Minister actually sent to the members and the cabinet how to the discussion with the important of leadership in the India is the declared. Attlee sent to the three members. Because of declared to because of Attlee sent to the three members of the cabinet to the discussion within the important of the leaders in the India. Discuss the political futures in the world. All Indian Muslims in the language demanded to the practices in any country religious basis. Attlee sent to the three members because of decided to India is give to the freedom. You decided when the Indian peoples in the struggles of the linguistic based for the problems, language based problems and religious problems are faced. When the Muslim peoples and the Indian peoples mixed and the struggle by the Britishers. The last one, the Islam did not continue to India is the India is not continue to the Indian peoples. All the Muslim League treated the direct actions in the achieve the goals. India Muslim League demand for the partition of the country religious based. India is a religious country. The Islam is asked the Britishers partition divided is two parts. India is divided the two parts is asked by the Britishers. Britishers also accepted the Britishers. India is given to the freedom 9 for August 15th, 1947 have the India is a independence. And August 14th, 1947 have the independence of Pakistan. India independent. Though from India is given to the Britishers give to the India freedom. August 15th the India have the independence. The British Pakistan have the independence. August 14th have the Pakistan is the independent. So English the violent are the language based and the religious based movements in the Islams and the Hindus. So the Britishers also the support to the India and the Pakistan. The Britishers divided by another the Pakistan other country, and the India is one of the country. Two parts in the divided, and the give to the India is the freedom. India have the freedom in the 1947. India have to independence, and the Pakistan have to independence in the August 14th, 1947. There are so many freedom fighters fight against the Britishers, and who came to the independence. So many freedom fighters, so many members. The fight for the freedom. So many members died in the freedom. So after we came to the independent, so many sacrifice the life because of all the people enjoy to the own administration we have to the 1947 independence have the India 1947. These are called to the historical background of the Indian Constitution. How to start the movement? The Britishers came to India. The Indian peoples against the Britishers did not want to the British administration. So many times against the Britishers. After so many families sacrifice the life, after so many freedom fighters sacrifice the lives, after who take the independence. So you understand all of you. These are called to the historical background of the Indian Constitution. Next class you discuss about the what the Constitution making of Constitution, the soul of the Constitution, the sources of Indian Constitution. To the next class. The making of Constitution. To the last class. The sources of Constitution are to the last class. Okay, you understand? Next class we discuss the making of the Constitution. Thank you, Ronald.